we are today in Delhi?
We just decided to go to Delhi. There are 3 people traveling. Here's one sitting beside me. His name is Arjun. Then beside him, Ravi Masa, Ravi Uncle. Then Kavya is sitting ahead. He's my brother. We are in Rajkot now and we will now be traveling to Ahmedabad. There we will catch a flight and then we will go to Delhi. Airport over here. So yeah, we just reached Delhi Airport. Now we are going to hotel. We have reached at Indian Mountaineering Foundation and we are here to climb a huge structure. Yeah, so this is it. We are going to climb this. Now all we are doing is waiting for a guy who will be giving us tickets. He is not present, so we can't climb there. By looking first time, I thought that it isn't that hard, but after doing it, it feels very hard. In fact, the medium one, the one which I wasn't able to finish, was 2 out of 4. The guy didn't allow us to try harder than that, but I don't think we would be able to finish it. But if they would allow us, then I would definitely give it a try. So Kavya, how was your experience? Did you enjoy it or what? Tell us about it.
Yeah, my experience was thrilling. By looking at the park from the outside, I thought the surfaces are very rough and tough. But first time I climbed it, then it was difficult for me. But I thought I should climb it second time. So I climbed it second time. It was very easy.
Yeah, so you see that. You have to learn by increasing your own level, defeating yourself and not defeating others. That's what success is all about. And of course, that's what parkour also is all about. You always keep on increasing your level and experience, and you learn lots of things. Yeah, and of course, if you visit Delhi in India, then please don't forget to visit this place, Indian Mountaineering Foundation. Hey guys, this behind me is Murelo's restaurant, and it's night and it's around 10 p.m. We didn't knew there was a so good thing in here, because you see here how the way is. There is no one here. Some small streets and houses and apartments everywhere. We are only 4 right now. And we are going to hotel. We enjoyed it. So we were right behind there. So I found that we get awesome shakes over here. So we just went there by the direction of Google Maps and ended up in this fine little street. There are actually very few people who know this place. We found it on Google Maps, and thank you so much to Google Maps and also to the chefs who created such a good shake. No one can know that there is something that good in there. Hey guys, we are back from water park and now we will be going in a snow park, and I think there we can do some activities like skiing. So I haven't been there, so I don't know what will be there. I'm sorry I wasn't able to record any videos in the water park because my device battery was too low and it was kept on charging. But I hope that I can film a video in the snow park. So I didn't expect that they would allow me to film here, but yes, they allowed me to film here. I'm not sure if you are able to hear me. Okay, so here there is ice skating. Then there is some slides. There is also skiing. We are just having fun. Nice time here.
Spider-Man, you're gone.
Okay, so that's the end of the trip to Delhi, and I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I will be uploading some tutorials very soon as I have started making it again. And if you want more videos, please don't forget to support me on Patreon. I have linked it in the description below. If you enjoyed this vlog and want me to make a vlog again, then please vote over here in the top right corner. And thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day ahead.